Hi, in this video I will show you how to share question sticker response on the Instagram story. So the process is pretty simple. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the Instagram mobile application. Click on it and go to your shared story. You have to put ask me a question sticker on the Instagram story to get the response. Once you will do it, simply I have already shared what's my passion on my Instagram. Now what I have to do is here swipe up. See, after swiping up you will find responses here, like I got one response from here. So I click on the reply button. You will see different option here, share response and message. So click on the share response button on it. I click on it. Now your back camera is open. Simply click picture and now click on the send to button. Now you will find two options here, your story or close friend. So simply click on the share button, your story, and click on the done, and your story will share and it's posting. Now you will see response is here. So if you want to share response on Instagram story, you will follow these instructions. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.